Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Inspect battery condition and temperature, then back up your data so nothing is lost. Once done, check Android and app updates and install any pending patches because software mismatches often trigger power faults. Next, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps. If the phone stays on, a recent app is likely causing shutdowns. Make sure to note when shutdowns occur, during charging, heavy use, or idle, as that guides the next steps. Now dig deeper. Use built-in battery stats and third-party diagnostics to read voltage, charge cycles, and temperature trends so you know whether hardware is failing. Once you have data, uninstall recent apps or clear caches one at a time, then test to isolate software culprits. Meanwhile, rule out charging hardware by testing with the original charger and a known good cable. If your phone has a removable battery, swap it to confirm whether the cell is the problem. For a final software reset, back up and perform a factory reset. This removes hidden corruptions. Then reinstall apps selectively and observe behavior. If problems continue after a reset, update firmware or reflash the stock ROM carefully, because corrupted system images can cause sudden power loss. If shutdowns persist despite clean software and tested chargers/batteries, the issue is likely hardware. Have a technician inspect the battery, power IC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.